What you're looking at is actually the atrium here at the Burj Al Arab. We're currently on the 30th floor because every single room is a duplex. You're gonna see floor 15 because that's the floor that my room is on. Over here you've got the butler section. There's a butler for every single floor. They've got drinks, glasses, and everything you could possibly need. And there's usually a person here, but they're not here for this video. Here is the room. You've got this really cool picture at the top. I'm not really sure what to call that, but here's the room. When you first walk in, you recognize that there is not just one floor, but two floors. And I guess we can start over here with the bathroom. This is actually going to be bathroom number 1. You've got a toilet and a bidet, and you've got a pretty big mirror. You'll see me in a few moments. And it's just nice to have not just one, but two bathrooms. When we look over here, we've got a little bit of a business section. You've got a shelf. You've got some Ethernet ports down here, some power adapters. And over here, we have an iMac and a phone and a nice little business section. You can do some work here, but I really hope you're not working if you're at this hotel. It's a great place to chill out and relax and hopefully forget about work. Behind this section is an area to hold coffee and tea, a coffee maker, sugar, pretty much everything you can need to make some coffee or tea. And it kind of blends in with the background. Down here we've got a mini bar, we've got some M&Ms, some chips, some alcohol. It's Black Label, Beluga, Russian vodka. And in here we have a mini refrigerator with lots of other drinks in it. These are all chargeable, as the hotel would like to call it. These prices are in dirhams, not in USD, so keep that in mind. Will they look expensive? They actually just are. Every room gets water, and it's practically unlimited. They'll give you these nice flowers. They'll even give you these nice slippers as well. Over here we've got the living room, and there's lots of gold accents everywhere. All of this gold is actually real. None of it's fake, not for show. You got lots of painting on the wall, lots of interesting things to look at. You'll never get bored. Another mirror, a giant TV, it's also gold plated. You might not be able to tell in this video that well, but over here we've got more paintings, more lighting, and we've got this very, 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 very soft couch. Took a nap on it earlier, and I didn't wake up very fast because I was so comfortable. Got more mirrors over here, more lights, and this is effectively the living room with all the seats and whatnot. You could easily hold, 10 or 15 people in a room, even though it's actually only meant for 2. In addition, you've got this really cool remote, and this remote has a lot of options on it. And one of them is actually opening up the screen in area over here. So if I click at the TV with the remote and hit open, you'll hear that it's actually opening up. It's a pretty cool view you have over here of the Palm Jumeirah. So it's around summertime right now, so it gets a little hazy, so the view you get is probably not that clear. But you also have a small view of the pool downstairs as well. So you can see if the pool is busy and if you want to go down there or not. There's actually multiple pools here. There's at least 4. There's 2 down there. One is saltwater, one is freshwater. They have one that's indoor, I believe on floor 18 or 19 maybe. And then they have another one that's right next to the restaurant for breakfast. Not exactly sure what this is useful for, but it does look cool, and it's also gold plated, like everything else that's gold in here. And over here you've got a small little closet. Underneath the staircase is a door for storage. As you continue walking around, you can see that what we saw outside of the room, we can still see inside of the room. And now we have a staircase to the second floor. You've got yet another mirror over here. And we've got the staircase continuing. We've got a nice chandelier. And it's actually blue on the ceiling, a nice color touch. Place to hold a bag. Yet another mirror. And over here you've got some lighting control. So you can actually turn the lights completely off, pressing this button over here. You can have a mid-level lighting over here for like slightly dim. Press number 3 or number 2 for it to be a little brighter. Or number 3 for it to be completely bright. In here we have another bathroom with a scale, and what's kind of interesting is they have this seat. I'm not exactly sure why you would need this seat in a bathroom, but in a hotel like this, there's nothing that you can do that won't ever be considered too much. So I'll take what I can get. Once again, you've got lots of gold accents on the ceiling. And then here you have this really nice painting right above the bathtub. So hopefully you can get the whole thing in the shot. You've got a jacuzzi, which is also really nice. And you've got a very nice shower. And it has quite a few knobs on it. So if I remember correctly, this knob controls the temperature. This knob turns it on or off. And this knob also, I believe it actually controls whether or not these additional jets they have over here, whether or not they turn on or turn off. And over here you've got an additional one that's just for this nozzle. But a very, very nice touch to the bathroom. Over here you've got your area to hold your towels. So pretty much you'll never need any towels here because there's so many towels here that you'll find it hard to run out. More towels down there. More towels down here as well. And all around nice bathroom. In addition to all of that, we have even more storage. So in here we have a closet with a safe and a flashlight. A closet for more clothing, maybe even suitcases or shoes. Continuation of that over here. Once again, spot that maybe you can put shoes. A bag. More hanging stuff. They've got this really cool Dyson blow dryer. I actually used it earlier just for fun, and it is very, very good, very nice. And once again, you've got a nice painting over here. An area to sit down. I think this even opens. Let's see. You've got more storage in here as well. And over here you've got even more storage. I chose to put one of my carry-on suitcases in here. So now you've got the master bedroom, which of course has a lot of furniture in it as well. Once again, this is meant for 2 people, but you can actually hold quite a few people here. You've got this very interesting table. I'm not exactly sure, maybe this is for eating with 2 people, or maybe it's, I'm not even sure. But it's cool, and I appreciate it being here. Over here, you've got your view, once again, and you've got the bed. Now, what's kind of interesting about the bed is there's actually a mirror on top. So if you're actually laying in bed, you can see yourself. This is really cool. Similar to downstairs, you can actually control the curtains with this remote. So if I can press close curtain right here and point it at this area, it will close the curtain. And what's also interesting about this room is there's actually a TV over here. All you have to do is press the power button on the TV, and the TV will actually light up, and it will pull itself out. It's really useful because you might not want the TV blocking your view. So this is a great way to watch TV, maybe when it's dark and you're going to sleep, but maybe you want your view back and you don't want this TV blocking your view. You can simply turn the TV off by pressing the power button. And the TV will hide itself and you will get your view back. But this has been it. It's been a cool time staying at this hotel. I've got a few more hours left before I head to the airport. But here is my review of the Burj Al Arab.